The rise of Bitcoin is amazing. In this video, we'll discuss why Bitcoin is going up so much. Some YouTube channels predicted it, but there are still questions. What's driving this rise? Is it BlackRock, the Federal Reserve, Joe Biden, or something else? We'll explore these questions and also talk about who controls Bitcoin. So, if you want to stay updated on crypto news, subscribe and hit the like button. If you would like to buy Bitcoin, a good place is Robinhood. Visit the link in the description of this video. Why is Bitcoin going up? According to expert Anthony Pompliano, people see Bitcoin as a superhero in the free market, and they expect it to go even higher. Even though Bitcoin went up 150% in the last year, 70% of it hasn't been sold. Why? Pompliano compares it to having a treasure that you wouldn't sell if you knew its value would keep rising. This holding pattern has been a crypto savings tradition. But there's more to it, like BlackRock's ETF and decisions by the Biden administration. Pompliano compares the Federal Reserve to the main bank of the United States, saying that when it signals lower interest rates, people find Bitcoin attractive as protection against rising prices. Now, let's talk about institutions and individuals. Institutions are big players, like the titans of Bitcoin, while individuals like us also affect Bitcoin's behavior. Bloomberg predicts a crypto boom, with Bitcoin possibly surpassing $500,000. The crypto community is excited as Bitcoin has had 3 consecutive months of gains, reaching its highest level since April 2022. Some experts caution about speculation, emphasizing the need for a Bitcoin ETF in the US, which could attract billions in new investments. In summary, Bitcoin is on an exciting ride, and only time will tell where it goes. Some predict crazy highs, comparing it to future digital gold. Share this video with friends and family so everyone stays informed about the exciting Bitcoin journey. Thanks for watching.